Hi, I'm Benjamin,
And I'm Jake.
and we found out that we can identify an ionic compound when the product is not malleable, not lustrous, not conductive when dry, and conductive when wet.
And now, here is our evidence. As you can see, the product of magnesium reacting with air when heated created a non-malleable, ashy, dull powder. The product is also not conductive when dry, and is also conductive when wet.
Here's our data table. If the product looks like this, then it is an ionic compound. As we can see, when the product gets wet, for an example, the ions become electrolytes, which means they have somewhere to go, which makes them conductive.
Ionic compounds are used every day in our lives. Salt, for an example, is a combination of sodium and chloride, or NaCl. Not only does salt give the food more flavor, but it is useful for preserving meats.
Here's a wrap-up ionic compound joke for you, Dr. Hall. So, oxygen and potassium went on a date. It was okay.
That was sodium funny.
Yeah, I slapped my knee on that one.